Hello, and welcome back to part 10 of my kitchen makeover. Today I want to install the cover for my hidden storage. This has not entirely gone according to plan, but I will get into that in a moment. First, I glued my two pieces together for added strength, installed L brackets, and added a few screws on the other side off camera. I dry fit everything before applying more glue. Before inserting my long screws into the pilot holes I had made earlier, I made sure my cart fit properly and I wouldn't run into issues with the sizing. It's always better to measure twice and cut once. Sadly, I must have made a mistake on the one in the very front, as my screw came out on the side. After a moment of confusion about what to do about it, I decided on drilling a new pilot hole, which worked out pretty okay, except that it was too close to the beginning of the wood piece and resulted in the front splitting. Definitely not one of my finest pieces of work, but I will have to figure out a solution for that at a later stage. In any case, I'm rapidly running out of time as I'm leaving in a few days and I don't think I get to finish everything. So I will continue this project in a couple of weeks when we move here for good. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.